In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a new price schedule in the OmniGolf Technology admin. In addition to creating a price schedule, we will also learn how to build price details or rates for that schedule. And finally, we'll learn how to take our new price schedule and add it to the OmniGolf Technology T-sheet or any other active distribution channel. Once we're logged into the OmniGolf admin, we need to click on the Pricing tab located in the row of tabs that run across the top of the page. This will take us to our current list of active price schedules. To make a price schedule, we simply need to click on the Create New button in the top left-hand corner of the page. While there are a number of different settings and options on this page, for the sake of brevity, I'm going to cover the settings that are most commonly used. First, we'll enter a name for our new price schedule. Keep in mind that this name will be seen by your customers, so keep it as short, clean, and simple as possible. It is also important to note that there is a character limit for this field, and names that are unnecessarily long can clutter up the appearance of your OmniGolf distribution channels. Unlike the name field, the description field will not be seen by your customers. The description only appears here in the price schedule grid. After the name and the description have been completed, we will now scroll down to the Amenities section. Amenities are notes that can be attached to a price schedule to communicate benefits or limitations of that particular rate. For instance, if the cart fee is included in the rate, you can select the cart amenity. If your carts are equipped with GPS, you can also select the GPS amenity, and so on. While we do provide a list of standard amenities, custom amenities can be created within the OmniGolf admin. The last setting we're going to look at under our new price schedule is the days out range, which can be found under the filter section. To set the number of days in advance that this price schedule can be booked, click the Add button next to the All under the filter heading. From the subsequent drop-down box, select Days Out Range and click Save. You can then set the minimum and maximum days out range. To allow reservations up to 2 weeks out, simply set the minimum to 0 days and the maximum to 14 days, and then click the Save button. At this point, we can go ahead and create our new price schedule by clicking the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that we can always go back and edit this schedule whenever we need to. Now that our price schedule has been created, it is time to build our new rates. To create rates, or what we call price details for our price schedule, scan over to the right side of the row and click on the Price Details button. Because this price schedule is brand new, there are no active details on this screen. To create a new detail, click the Add Detail button in the top left-hand corner of the page. Again, to keep this video clean and concise, I will not be covering every setting on this screen. However, I will attempt to discuss the settings that are most commonly utilized. The first thing we must enter is a description. This description will not be seen by the customer, and keeping things simple is always the best practice. Next, we will enter the price that we want to charge for our price schedule. After setting the price, we can then set the start and end dates, the start and end times, and the days of the week for which this price applies. As we continue to scroll down the page, we will again see the list of amenities and the filter setting. The amenities and filters that we built on the price schedule will automatically apply to any price detail built under that schedule, so there's no need to add those amenities or to create those filters again here in the price detail. We can now create the price detail by clicking the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Now that our price schedule and price detail have been built, there is one final step to make this rate available on your OmniGolf T-sheet or other distribution channels. To access the settings for your OmniGolf T-sheet, click the Setup tab in the row of tabs that run across the top of the page. Immediately under the Setup tab is a dark gray bar with further options. From this bar, we need to choose the Distribution button. This will bring up your list of active distribution channels. To view the settings for your OmniGolf tee sheet, click the Settings button in the column labeled Admin/API. Once the settings page is loaded, click the Edit button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. As we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we will see two large boxes that contain the names of our active price schedules. Notice how our new price schedule is in the box on the left, while the other price schedules are in the box on the right. Price schedules that live in the box on the right will be available on that particular distribution channel. Any schedule in the box on the left will not be available on that channel. To make our new price schedule available on our tee sheet, click on the price schedule in the box on the left and click the over arrow to move it into the box on the right. Once the price schedule has been moved, click the Save button at the bottom to save your changes. Please note that if you want to make your new price schedule available on other distribution channels, you must repeat the same process for each desired channel. Finally, to confirm that your new price schedule is now available on your OmniGolf tee sheet, simply click the Tee Sheet tab at the top. Then open the Price drop-down box at the top of the page. If you have followed the procedures correctly, your new price schedule should now be visible in your list. This concludes our video on creating new price schedules and price details within the OmniGolf Technology Admin. Make sure to look for our other helpful training videos, and remember to refer back to this video whenever you need assistance.